Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you guys are all still with me and subscribing. I'm trying to put out as much content as possible. Things have been a little crazy to say the least, but today I'm going to be reviewing the Rvinyl dash kit. This is a vinyl dash kit, obviously by Rvinyl. I chose the 4D carbon fiber trim. Now, I just didn't like the plain look of the interior of my Ridgeline, so I wanted to do something a little bit different and add just a little pop, and I think I did it, and it doesn't really translate on video well enough because the 4D actually looks almost sort of like carbon fiber, and it's very textured, but it's very hard to see even when I kind of go up to it. But if you look closely, it looks pretty good. There's still a few bubbles in it. I just installed it. It was pretty easy to install. It's all pre-cut for your particular vehicle, so you kind of have to work it a little bit. You need a heating gun or a blow dryer. I used a blow dryer, a credit card, or a proper tool to flatten out any of the bubbles or rough surfaces. But like I said, I'm really happy with it. This was probably the hardest piece. This was the first piece I did, and I pretty much nailed it, and I'm very happy with it. I really wish it would translate on screen. Maybe if I... No, it doesn't really show how the 3D effect really works, but it also continues to the back seat here, where there's a couple little bits of trim that go around the cup holders that are usually just flat black and boring. There's some pieces up here around the speedometer, again, which is flat black and really boring, so it just gives it a little bit of a pop. There's some vent pieces right there, and this covers the plastic silver trim, and then the window piece there, and then there's a little piece also going around this area, which I really like. It looks pretty good. It looks almost OEM. And what else? Sorry, my little guy has his toys here, but as you can see, it looks pretty good. So if you're looking at an Rvinyl kit, they're like 60 bucks. I would say try it out. I know if you can't install it properly, what they do, like if you screw up a couple pieces, they'll send you a couple pieces at no cost. The kit's, like I said, 60 bucks. It's totally worth it. The only con I have is the adhesive isn't necessarily too sticky. They're sticky enough. I think they could have made it a little stickier. It made it a little difficult to install, but again, I'm pretty happy with it. I give it an 8 out of 10 for a vinyl kit. I looked at the 3D kits that are pretty much vinyl with a ton of lacquer on top. They are just too much money. $300, $400, $500 for those. So this just kind of breaks up all the black in this interior, makes it look pretty good. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And just to address my 5 things I hate about my Ridgeline video, I love my Ridgeline. I put in the description that I love my Ridgeline, but for some reason people say, why did you buy it if you hate it or hate these things? Like any car, no car is perfect, and the Ridgeline has its own flaws, or what I feel are flaws, which is why I brought it to everyone's attention. That's just my personal opinion. Everyone has a right for their own personal opinion. Other than that, guys, subscribe, like, and share my videos. There's much more to come. And I always answer your comments and reply to any questions that you have. So thank you guys, and have yourself a great day.